Hey, it's Jake from Xtras. If you've owned your BlackTip for a while, you may have had to perform some standard maintenance or replace a few parts over time. If you're a new owner, you may be wondering what parts you'll need to replace or have on hand just in case. We're here to help with that. This is what to keep in your BlackTip spares kit. We'll start this list with an X-prop blade or two, for obvious reasons. Then add some fresh O-rings to keep your seals watertight over time. You also might want to include some of the smaller parts that are easy to lose, such as a trigger screw, trigger spring, and strap pins. For those who want to cover all their bases, feel free to add a spare fuse, a set of extra Anderson connectors, and even a few backup batteries to round out your kit. These items are by no means mandatory, just some helpful suggestions from us to help prepare you for some of the more common problems you may need spare parts for. Below this video, you'll find a link to all of the items I just mentioned. Remember, you're always free to skip a few of these parts if you choose to, or even add a few more to your kit for total peace of mind. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or following us on social media. Thanks for watching. I've been Jake from Xtras, and until next time, happy diving.